girl Lupia again, and today I'm going to talk about my sad story, the kidnapping story. So it was like this. One time my family had to go for an introduction in the village, and I was left alone at home. So I invited my friend, one of my best friends, for a sleepover, so that we can talk, we can jazz, we can watch movies, we can cook food, the girl things. So when she came, we watched movies, we had a long jazz, and late in the night, as we are enjoying our movie, one of our friends called us, inviting us for some birthday party. Late in the night, it was very late in the night, guys. So, and it was only us at home, no one to stop us. We took a bath, dressed up, locked the door, and went to the party. It was a 15 minutes walk to the party. So we didn't get any, even there was no taxi at that time because it was very late. So we went footing slowly as we are jazzing. But it was only us on the road. Remember, we are girls, only us on the road. So we went jazzing slowly, as you know, peacefully, ready to party, ready for the birthday. As we were going, we saw some guys coming towards us. It was a gang of guys coming towards us, as I remember. So we were like, oh, it's okay, maybe they are on their own things. So we continued jazzing, going, and they continued coming nearer and nearer to us. Then finally these guys, they came and surrounded us. Only two of us, just imagine. Late in the night, the road is empty, it's only us. They surrounded us and told us to give them whatever we had. Guys, we were so scared, very scared. So we just stood there and no one is talking to each other. We are just looking at ourselves, and they're like, give us everything you have. And we just pulled out the phones and tried to call the police, like pretending to call the police. That was so stupid. You know what they did? They pulled the phones from our hands. And slapped us. They beat us, everything. I can't even explain. They slapped my friend, they slapped me. I don't know what these people really want. They are taking your things, and to add on that, they are beating you, slapping you. So they were so angry because I don't know if they thought we are fooling them. I don't know. They were so angry, and they pulled us. Fortunately, we had the jackets on because it was late in the night, and it was very cold, so we had our jackets on. They pulled us and removed the jackets. Me first, I removed the jacket and I ran to the light. And by that time, I'm not thinking about anyone. I don't know if my friend survived, but when I look back, oh my God, I saw her coming as well. I was so happy because we are all safe. So we saw some people walking in the light. So we were like, oh my God, maybe these are our saviors. So we kept running. We removed the jackets because they had zips. We opened the zip, removed the jacket, and we ran to the light. So we thought they are coming after us, but I think they feared to see them because we are running to the light and there were some people there. Can I tell you something? Did I say I was kidnapped? No, I narrowly survived the kidnapping. That's how we survived the kidnapping, because we pulled the jackets off, removed the jackets off, and we ran to the light. And guess what? We didn't go to the party. Guys, we didn't go to the party. First of all, I was scared. The phone was for my sister. The jackets were for my sister. So I was like, in the first place, what am I going to tell everyone? How am I going to tell them that they took this? How am I going to tell them that we are going in the night? Oh my God, everything was on me. Because if it wasn't for the phone and the jackets they took, I would have kept quiet. But I had to say something because they will ask me for the phone. So we went back home. We went back home crying and laughing because we didn't know what to do. We didn't know how to. The feeling, you know that feeling? Like you're safe, you've been in trouble. My God. We went back home, laughing, crying, everything. And I explained to my sister everything, and she's understanding. Okay, guys. That's the end of my story, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that when I post more amazing videos, topics, you'll be the first one to watch them. And don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thank you so much.